No.
What'd you say?
No?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
I remember that voice.
Everybody. Paul Walker.
Oh!
No.
Yes.
I said no.
I said yes.
Yes.
But I
Yes.
said no.
I
Yes.
said yes.
God damn it, I said no.
But we are saying yes.
Yes to sex, consensually. I prefer it when you scream no, not when you scream yes. The look in your eyes, terrified. It arouses me. So no!
Yes.
Oh! Thank you!
Bitch,
Don't
yes.
say no, okay?
So, I apparently made a bunch of people huddle around me. I'm a god.
Yes, you did.
No, I'm a god.
No,
Yeah, I
I'm
don't
a
know.
god.
You could be a poor fucking.
Where do you guys want to land?
No. No. Honey, I'm home. No! Hey, we have the same jacket. Come over here, you son of a bitch.
我倒睡上去。
好巧你逍遥，好巧你逍遥。My name Kailan。跳舞好巧你逍遥。
Shut the fuck up.
No! Ah, fuck me. Holy fuck.
That's right, bitch.
I am not a bitch. I just died like one. Good one, man. Fencing. Fuck, fuck. Run.
Where is he?
On her right. West. That's where I heard the gunshots is west. And there's another guy in the fucking town.
Oh, I see him. He's right fucking in front of us.
Where is he?
He's like right in front of me right here. I just seen him lay down. Oh god, fucking zone.
Well, we're gonna have to fight fast, bro.
Rush him.
I don't know where he is.
He's in this building right here. I think. He's like somewhere right in this general area.
He's not in this. I
Found him.
found him. Fuck you! Bye bye, baby!
You got the great gun?
I hear a car. Probably close. Oh, guy to her. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Where? Fuck it. He has an AK.
Kill him.
Oh fuck. James, you have to survive. Dead. The bus is driving. I have no ammunition. Fuck.
Slowly reloading, you know. Guess they're both Winchester brothers. That thing's hard as fuck to get a kill with.
Yeah, no. But it makes damage as the fuck.
But there's a good thing. I did knock one person down, but you decided to finish them.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yes. I wanted to execute the motherfucker. Why are we... Are we gonna die? Are we gonna fucking die?
Turn on my marker because, yeah, okay.
I didn't hear you. You were screaming at me about not taking a bus that we're already driving.
Yeah, but I told you earlier, go
Yeah,
right.
I know,
on
but
the
I
marker.
was looking at the fucking bus and you shot out the wheel and I was confused. I was never planning on it because we're already in one.
It's like, okay, but it might have had more fuel than this one, since we're really close to running out of fuel right now. Like, we're like, our car might just stop in the middle of the field because of no fuel, man.
You know, for a good decision, you make the bad decisions.
I made a good decision, but you stopped me from making that good decision by popping the fucking wheel. We're out of gas. The difference
It was garbage.
It was garbage. What we were already driving the same garbage. The difference between the garbage that was in the road and the garbage that we were driving is the other garbage had fuel to actually get us somewhere. The garbage we were driving didn't. That was really stupid. You're gonna pop that fucking tire too, huh?
The 90. No. The 90 of the sign made me aggressive.
Why?
Because it was a 90 and not a 60.
What?
We can't drive.
It's missing a fucking wheel. Get the fuck in! Hurry, you're gonna die! I'm gonna die. How the hell am I driving a buggy missing both left wheels? Huh?
You're good. You have to heal, James.
What?
We have to heal.
Heal? Well, I have nothing to heal with, so... Here, heal. Hey! It was the zone that killed us!
Short in front of you to the north was people too, or was shots. And it's so fucking open, so yeah.
Gonna get more in the grass.
Watch right there. There are two people running to you. Nice! James, you are a beast.
3 more alive. Hell yeah.
Two people, one
I
team.
can't believe they didn't fucking see me. That's beautiful, isn't it?
One team.
I actually need...
One guy had a car, so...
Yeah, I need 762 right now.
1v1, James. 1v1.
Fuck yeah.
You can do it, James.
Am I gonna get my fucking chicken dinner?
You have to go. You have to go, James.
I know.
The zone is on your ass. On your arse. Short, right trees. That's the high top point right now.
He's probably right there.
Left, on the little tree, to the left.
Is that where he is?
Right, there, he's switching weapon.
Where is he?
Go behind the tree, James!
Where the fuck was he?
I told you on the little tree to the right.
Oh god, I almost got my chicken dinner. This one's in the barn with me, I think.
Hopefully he didn't find a shotgun in here. Yeah.
I got a shotgun. Bang! What's up with that thing? I wanna know. How does it hang? Oh god damn!
Died.
You fucking ragdoll. That was amazing. Did you kill the other guy?
Yeah, I killed him.
No! I'm retarded.
What the fuck? You revived me or no?
No.
Revive me.
One shot, man. That was good. Good battle, guys.
Yeah, I love you. You did
Love
good
you
too.
bud. Love you too, man.
I fucked up with the sword of shotgun. This thing is amazing.
God damn it! It's touching me! Why won't you let me at you,
I'm
Brad?
not even trying to dodge.
What the fuck? This isn't nice! I just want to cut you up a little bit